Today I talk about interesting person in the turning point of Sudha Murthy. She was born on 19 August 1950 in Shivganga near Haveri. She was completed BE in Electrical and Electronical Engineer from the PVB College of Engineering and Technology and then a ME in Computer Science from Indian Institute of Science. Sudha Murthy became the first female engineer at Telco. In 1996, she started Infosys Foundation. Sudha Murthy has written and published many books with Infosys Kannada and English across fiction and non-fiction and technology books. A major milestone in Murthy's life came then she quit her telco job to support her husband's enterprise. She contributed ₹10,000 as seeds money to found Infosys with her husband and these friends. Sudha Murthy took up the role of their clerk cum cook cum programmer. She also took up another job, support to the house rule. Recall this period as been extremely challenging time. The company that started 40 years ago with ₹10,000 is worth the 18 billions now. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Going to do science experiment, static electricity. For this experiment, we need a thing, scissor, paper, comb. A small piece of paper will be totally fine. We have tiny bits of paper. Now take a comb and rub it on your hair. This makes the comb negatively charged. When you rub the comb in your hair, the electronics from your hair get transferred to the comb and hence the comb gets negatively charged. Let us see what it does when it's brought near bits of paper. Did you notice that? Let's look at it a bit closer. That seemed like magic. When the comb was brought near the bits of paper, it attracted the bits of paper. What really happens is the part of the paper that is positively charged gets attracted to the negatively charged comb.
I would like to talk about an incident that threatens your safety in this desert age: cybercrime. Cybercrime involves creativity from through desert devices and technology such as mobile phones, computers and the internet. We are going to show you small read incidents and how be safe from cyber crimes by this small kit.
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello.
Sir, I'm calling from State Bank. Are Mr. Aryan Raj calling?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, have you made any large transaction from your account?
Yes, we have done.
Sir, your account has been blocked due to security reasons.
But why?
KYC details are not updated.
Then,
To unblock your account, your personal details required.
okay, ask.
Your full name,
Aryan Raj.
date of birth.
2016.
Sir, can you confirm your ATM card number?
Hold a minute. Yes, please note. 50000000075.
Sir, your PIN number.
Stop, banker. If he is banker, he will never ask for PIN. In any case, banker will never ask for PIN. Whomever call you receive, never share OTP number, CVV code, password or personal details. Just keep in mind that we are target of hackers. Do not share OTP, PIN, CVV or password with anyone. Be careful when you click any link. Beware of suspicious emails and phone calls. Use mobile devices safely. Keep software up to date. Thank you.
I am studying in 4th standard. Today I am going to tell about some questions. First question is for 1st standard. Computer is a natural thing or human made thing?
Computer is a natural thing or human made thing? First standard.
First standard.
Computer is a natural thing or human made thing? Answer.
Right answer. This is for 2nd standard. Name the parts of the computer.
Parts of the computer. Second standard.
CPU, monitor, mouse.
Right answer. Third question is for 3rd standard. What is hardware?
Hardware. What is hardware?
The things that you can touch is called hardware things.
Right. 4th question is for 4th standard. Conversation rate of 1 byte. It is for 5th standard. Who is the father of the computer? It is for 6th standard. What are the programming languages? 2 types of programming languages.
Low level language, high level language.
It is for 7th standard. Give an example for some fund and cyber security components.
Cyber.
Antivirus, firewall, backup, password, cookies, biometric.
Right answer. 8th question is for 8th standard. The expansion of RAM is what?
Random access memory.
Right answer. 9th question is for 9th standard. What is the first calculating device?
Abacus.
Right answer. 10th question is for 10th standard. In computer scientific calculator constant of what are the functions?
Function ಇರುತ್ತೆ.